Tips Hacks. So today I am going to show how to make a beautiful pen stand out of this wasted container, and the materials needed are yellow 3D cone liners, glue, paper sheets, black fabric, this brush, scissor and container. Okay, so let's get started. So at first I am cutting it into the bigger size that I need. So now I will make some paper rolls. So I am showing one how to do it. At first you will take this paper and then you will take any round object. Just keep it like this lightly and then round it. Just roll it. Make sure that you leave a space so that you can take that thing out. Okay, so now gluing time. I'm gluing it. So I have already made many. Now I have to stick it around the bits. Okay, so I'm sticking it. First we have to cut into the exact size of the container. Sorry, for it. So now it is okay. And now I have to glue it on this. So I will do like this. So you have to do the all. Okay, so I have done this. And now I will color it with the fabric of black. You may do with other colors, but you have to do other designs too. After coloring, you have to give it a time for drying. Now I have done my coloring and now I will do the design. And for the design, I will attach this in the holes like this. Yes. And now I am starting the design. whitener at the present time. You may also do with a white 3D cone line. So I've done with my design. So please, if you like, please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon. Now I have see this pen stand. So you can keep in this also and here also. Thank you and bye.